Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to basically disassemble half of the machine in order to get to the brew unit. Once we got it to the brew unit, we disassembled the entire brew unit, re-lubricated all the gaskets, replaced the gaskets, and then put it back together. Then once we had it back together, we installed it into the machine, cleaned around the rest of it, replaced a lot of the gaskets from the valves that are connected right here, and also part of them right here. We also cleaned a little bit the grinder, calibrated a few things, and then put it back together. Also the spouts were a little bit misaligned, so we lubricated them a bit better. I think it has no good. Apologies for that. The spouts were not placed correctly. Now they are. They can go up and down. And they don't come off. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine. Then we're going to be using hot water and then the steam. Also for the steamer one, we had to replace this whole part right here, the older one. This one that you see right here was broken and it was not attaching the adapter. We had another one, a spare one over here in the shop, so we installed it into the machine. This is the older one, and yeah, I need to be replaced. As you can see, we have a nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Hot water, as you can see, working perfectly well. And steam, as you can see, pretty fast, with excellent pressure coming out from the one. And this can go either up or down if you want more froth or less froth. So there you have it, Jura Impressa S9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.